Did you know that certain foods could be sabotaging your health and causing inflammation in your body? Today, we are going to reveal these food villains that are often present in our daily lives without us realizing it. Do you feel tired, achy, or notice that your body isn't functioning as it should? This could be the result of silent inflammation caused by what you're eating. In today's video, we'll explore the top foods that inflame your body and how can you avoid this evil. We start with refined sugars and ultra-processed foods. They are true enemies of your health. When we consume too much sugar, our body reacts by producing an inflammatory response, which can lead to problems such as weight gain, diabetes, and heart disease. And it's not just sugar that's on the radar. White flour, soda, and even some boxed juices are full of ingredients that inflame the body. Another category of concern is refined vegetable oils, such as soybean oil and corn oil. These oils go through processes that destroy nutrients and increase levels of trans fats, known to promote inflammation in the body. Instead, opt for extra virgin olive oil or coconut oil, which are much healthier alternatives. And we can't forget foods high in saturated fat, like processed meats and high-fat dairy products. These foods, when consumed in excess, contribute to increased inflammation and cholesterol, increasing the risk of chronic diseases. The ideal is to seek a balance and prioritize sources of lean proteins and healthy fats. Now that you know which foods to avoid, how about making a conscious effort to replace them with healthier options? Remember, small changes to your diet can make a big difference to your long-term health. If you like this content, leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more healthy living tips.